Yeah. Okay.
Call me on lazy afternoon, asking me what I'm up to. Let's find something to do. Maybe I'll be down, 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 down. You know I'll be down, 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 down. See you coming here outside your car, chop like Mercedes, straight from the 70s, classic like you and me. You know I'll be down, 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 down. You know I'll be down, 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 down. I think I gotta crash. Think I got a little crush on you. Hope it's not too much. I think little crush on my heart sinking. La 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 la. Honestly, we shouldn't waste time no more. It's all these little boys you're chasing. Didn't they break your heart? You know I'll be down, 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 down. You know I'll be down, 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 down. I think I gotta crash. Think I gotta live. little crush on you. Hope it's not too much. Think I got a little crush on my heart sinking. La 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 la.
I think that was really good. What y'all think?
Yeah, perfect.
It's honestly a very, very beautiful palette. So I only picked up this rich in color palette because honestly I'm trying to be rich in color. I don't know about you. And the names are hilarious. When I saw model, I'm like, girl, bye. It's just nice to have a collection of these colors in your own makeup bag because it's just handy. Sometimes you might be feeling like I want to give them blue eyeshadow, but like you only have like a pan of nudes, or like you have to start thinking of which shadow. It's just long. It just makes sense to have everything in one palette. And she's giving us how many blues? We have at least 3 shades of blues to play with. We have these 3 shades of blue to play with. You can do a lot of monochrome looks if you want. You can do there's a lot of Christmas colors in this palette. I'd strongly suggest you watch her own video as well, because she goes through all the palettes, and that way you can make your mind up as well. But I feel like swatching this pink. Also this pink. Okay. I feel like it would be a good transition color. So like if I'm putting it on top of here. Yeah, I love this. This is my favorite shade, and as you can see, I've dug in deep into it. So many more colors. This purple would be such a vibe. Reckless. I feel like it would be such a vibe, and it would be so beautiful on every skin tone actually. Every skin tone. I feel like this would look good. But to get more payoff, you need to conceal the base, or like use a lighter or a darker base, just so that you get more payoff. But you don't have to. You don't, because you saw now the sunset vibes one, I didn't do any base, but for all the other ones I did like a base, some sort of base like concealer and stuff like that. But this is beautiful. I'm happy. But the real question is, how often am I going to reach for it? For my final thoughts, I would honestly say this is a beautiful palette. I'm out of breath now, I'm tired. I don't know how many looks I filmed. So, hope you enjoyed this video. This is probably my favorite look.